Tonight I'm going to explain what is the Kuleshov effect and how it can change perception in film in order to create different ideas. The Kuleshov effect was invented by a man named Lev Kuleshov, a Russian film theorist in the early part of the 20th century and who is considered by many one of the founders of modern editing. In my example today, we start with a close-up of a woman. Let's assume she sees a bag full of golden coins. Then we cut back to her reaction to what she just saw, and she smiles. What would she represent as a character? You can see she loves money. She's a greedy young woman. Now, let's take the middle piece of the film away, the bag with money, but leave the other two pieces as they just were. Now we put in a piece of film with a table with food. She looks, she sees the food, and she smiles. What is she now? She is a humble young woman trying to survive. She is no longer the greedy woman we saw in the first take. This is the idea I wanted to put out to you folks tonight. But there's more potential to it than the two very simple examples we just saw. So let us now assume that these two are a couple of artists, and let's get back to editing. They look, they see an art school, and they smile. Who are they now? They are young students, training hard to become professional artists. Now, they look, they see a gallery, and they smile. Who are they now? They are young artists, just about to start their career. Here we go again. They look, they see a camera, and they smile. They are getting coverage because of their gallery show. Once more, they look, they see a party, and they smile. They have reasons to celebrate. It might be due to their show. This time, they look, they see a table with food, and they smile. They are being invited to fancy dinners these days. Now, they're looking again. They see trophies, and they smile, starting to get nominations for art prizes. They see a camera, and they smile, getting coverage from TV because they are getting shortlisted. We can go on and on and on forever. They look, they see some pills, they smile. Once more they look, they're going international, and they smile. They look, they're in the museum now, and they smile. A crowd cheers at them now, they smile. They look, they smile. Look and smile. They look, they smile. Looking, smiling, look, smile. Smile, look. Looking, smiling, look, smile. Smile, look. Smile, they smile. Looking and smiling, they look, they smile.